Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove your Facebook profile from your Instagram account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, to do this, we need to head over to our Instagram. And then once we do this, we can now start by heading over to our profile in the bottom right and then clicking on the three lines in the top right corner. Once we do this, we want to select Account Center. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you see the option for Accounts. Now, once we click on this, as you'll notice, there is Instagram and also Facebook. If you go to the Facebook option and click on Remove, that will then bring you to this page. You'll then be able to click on Remove Account at the top. Here, click on Continue, and then once you do this, you'll then be able to select Yes, Remove. And then once you select this, that will then remove your Facebook profile from your Instagram account. So that's basically how you can remove your Facebook profile from your Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.